Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you pair your Garmin Vivomove HR. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery and is close to your smartphone. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, before we begin, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Once you have the Garmin Connect app installed, open it up. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Otherwise, simply sign in. From the main menu, navigate to Garmin Devices and then select Add Device. The app will then prompt you to choose your specific device. Look for and select Vivomove HR from the list to proceed with the pairing. Now, let's get your Vivomove HR ready. Press and hold the touchscreen for about 3 to 5 seconds until the menu appears. From there, tap the small gear icon to enter the settings. Scroll down until you find the Pair Phone option and select it. Your watch will then display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Keep this code handy, as you'll need it for the next step in the app. With the 6-digit code displayed on your Vivomove HR, return to the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. You'll be prompted to enter this exact code into the app. After entering it, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and your watch. The devices will then take a few moments, typically less than 30 seconds, to synchronize and finalize the connection. Congratulations, your Vivomove HR is now successfully paired and ready to track your activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.